Let me start by saying how very happy, I would say delighted I am to be here. On the way in, I asked Amit, I said, what do you expect me to say apart from saying nice things about you? He said, yeah, you can say some nice things about me. But Amit, what I'm going to say is from the core of my heart. I've known Amit and his family, his late brother, I know the whole family, for decades. I admire the work that you do as a professional, but I think it's not ability anymore. Your demonstrated success in taking an elitist sport, something which was always perceived to be a sport which is accessible to people with a lot of money, because you get a membership of a golf club, to be able to get the equipment, to have the wherewithal to play golf. It applies to civil servants, especially when they play during office hours. I'm going to leave that apart. You know, the fact that you took it to the underprivileged and you made a success of it. I think you, the president of the golf club, for hosting this, all of you deserve not only praise, but I think you deserve to be acknowledged and honored for what you've done in those 25 years. So I join all the others who sent messages and who were speaking here to express the hope that their next 25 are even more glorious. So let's hope that happens, and I'm sure with the kind of commitment I see around, that will happen. There's one thing more that I want to say, and which is that and I've known this from my experience of 7 years as Minister for Housing and Urban Affairs. You will, as an institution, always invite envy and jealousy. I must frankly say I'm a little envious of you, because I've had the privilege of serving in some of the best world capitals, you know, which has the best in terms of the quality of golf courses. I remember Tokyo, I was too young to even go near a golf course because it's so expensive, even as a young diplomat. I served in Geneva, which has some excellent courses. I've served in the United States, in Brasilia. And because of that envy, there's a lot of ill-informed and I would say motivated criticism that flies in your way. And a few days ago when you and I were talking about somebody, I said, forget about it. I mean, don't worry. I think when you focus on a narrative like taking the sport to the underprivileged, that strengthens also. And now with the increasing acceptance of golf as an international and Olympic sport, etc., and with your youngsters, especially, you know, this young man who is now in the University of South Florida and all the others who are making a name, I think you should take the prachar or the narrative setting to a wider audience. And somebody said I have done something. Yeah, I'm very happy to support. And as long as I'm Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister, I'm very happy to see ONGC and GAIL prominently featured amongst the list of sponsors. Rasal, I hope you provided the necessary support to Amit. Yeah, because I can only recommend, somebody else has to do it. But no, congratulations. Also in the times to come, you can count on everybody's support. And I think this narrative of taking an elitist sports to and involving the underprivileged. Look, a sport is a sport, and it brings out not only the best qualities of sportsmanship, the value system, etc., but adding those who could not earlier hope to access it into that main framework, I think is a very noble and a job well done. I can only say that I don't know how you organize this, but I think the gods have also conspired, because the temperature for the evening is perfect, the setting is perfect, and I don't want to stand between you and the lovely food and, I should say, the other spiritual stuff which I'm sure is available to those who seek it. Once again, heartiest congratulations, and thank you for asking me to join you. God bless you.